In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F15 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. First of all, you need to find and access Clock app. Now hit Allow in the pop-up and choose Alarm at the bottom left corner. Then to create a new one, use this plus at the top on the right. Then adjust all of those available options however you want to. At the top, set up an hour. Then pick days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. Click on alarm name and label your alarm however you want to, if you want to. Then scroll down. And using all of those switchers next to all of those features, disable or enable them. If you decided to enable all of them, you can click on each one and adjust it. Let's start with alarm sound. Thanks to this slider at the bottom, you can adjust the volume of your alarm. Then tap on Spotify if you want to use music from it, or select ringtone. Hit Allow. And use those two switchers next to those two features to manage them. Now to add any song from your smartphone and set it up as alarm 1, hit this plus at the top right corner. Then decide if you wish to play selected highlights by operating this switcher. Click on any song. And to save it, tap on Done at the top right corner. If you want to just pick one of those sounds instead, tap on the best one and go back. I will go with Pick It Up. Now by tapping on vibration, you can adjust your vibration options by selecting silent or picking one of those patterns, like heartbeat. Then click on snooze and decide how many minutes your snooze will take and how many times it will repeat. After going back this time, you need to scroll all the way down and click on Alarm Background. Hit Allow All and choose Background at the top left corner. To apply one of those, click on the best one and hit Done at the top right corner. To customize it though, you need to hit on Background again and then click on one of those options. You can select a folder right away or click on this little icon next to Gallery to access all of your albums. Now tap on the photo that you wish to set up. Maybe this one. And tap on Done at the top right corner to save it only for this alarm. Last but not least, choose Save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. To turn it off completely, use this switcher next to it. And to turn it back on, click on the same, now grey one. To edit your alarm, click on it, make some changes, and hit Save. To get rid of it, you need to hold it instead of clicking on it. Tap on Delete at the bottom right corner and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye.